Hi YouTube artist, I'm Kelly Hernig and welcome to In the Studio. Today we're going to paint another holiday element of our Artful Advent. Are you ready? Let's go paint. Welcome to day 10 of the Artful Advent. Today it's all about the holly and the berries. I'm going to start with a yellow-green for my hollies. I'm only going to do half. I want to do the other half kind of a darker green. I'm going to touch into my dark green. It's wet, so you can see they're going to diffuse quite nicely. Then with the dark green, I want to do the other side of the holly here. Need a little bit more water. This green is a little heavier. And you can see I kind of left a white line. So now I'm just going to cross it here and there. I want a little bit of the white line showing. Can I splash? Got a little too exuberant with my splashing there. Okay, I'm going to mix a red now. I want dark red berries because I have a bright red bow here, so I'm going to go with a little darker red. So if you have a bright red, just add a touch of blue to it, or a touch of green, and that will make it a little darker. I just add a dot of water in each one. I need to add a brown stem to my hollies, so I'm just using some sepia. And I'm going to use the Posca pen now for the highlights. I want to highlight the stem back here, just a little bright spot. Highlight the holly. And highlight the stem. And I'm going to clean this up as well. And there's our holly and berries. If you enjoyed this festive branch, please like, comment, or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching.